It's your boy Mark, and today I will be sharing with you guys exactly what you need to do next so you can start getting paid. $25 1 up. Here is the first thing you need to understand, guys. This is the concept of this business. Um, let me see if let's see. So, what you need to understand, guys, is the first thing to getting paid that you have products once you have gone ahead and created and selected everything that you need to know, guys. And the products are over here. Let me show you guys. So, like the gold products, uh, what is in the gold products? This is what you get. You get the pre-written ads, you get the all of this stuff. These are products. So the levels itself are the products. So just like the platinum products, you get the training, you get all of these different things when you go to different levels inside of the system. Now, let's go back to this, guys. So that's the first thing is understanding your products, what level you are at, and what you will receive. So when you're at the $25 level, you only receive 100% of the commissions of $25. And the platinum level, you receive $100, 100% of $100. So, like I said, a lot of people come in this business, they only get the basic tools and resources, the basic products, which are these. This is very powerful, very powerful. But you also need $100 level guys to help market your business, and you can do other things once you level up. So this Facebook training, this YouTube training, and this Instagram training is very, very, very powerful once you watch it and use it and apply it to your business. Now, that's the first thing is understanding which level you are at, your products, what you are actually promoting to people, and what they're getting. And then you'll want to go to the next step, which is copy and paste the ads on social media, which generate leads, guys. And what are leads? If you haven't watched my previous video, leads are basically people who are interested in your business that you could uh, potentially get a sale or a sign up from, guys, and get paid from. Now, leads are, like I said, it's just the people who are interested. So you want to generate leads every single day, keep that flow going. You want leads to come in every single day. You do not want a day that you do not have a lead. Now, every lead is not going to sign up and become a part of your business, but you can market to them through email marketing, and you could just share different offers with them once they become a part of your list. Now, that is the main goal. So that is copy and paste. Now, where do you get? I know you want like, okay, where do I get my copy and paste ads from? So what you're gonna do is come over to my business, uh, gold level products, and you would click pre-written ads and more. You get this, guys, once you join at the $25 level. So you would need this level in order to get your pre-written ads. So you just come over here, you click the pre-written ads, and it even gives you trigger phrases, guys, that you should use to get people more interested. It tells you when to post, what days to post, what times to post, and you have all of the ads that you could just you have up to $100 of copy and paste ads that you could use, edit, and basically just use for your business. You even have people, if they respond to you or inbox responds, we have every single thing that you need when it comes to this business, guys. You're not alone. So this really what stops a lot of people from joining $25 1 up is because they don't know what to do next when it's training inside of the system itself, and it shows you, tells you, and walk you through everything, and the system does all the selling and telling for you. So you just copy and paste those ads to social media. And let me go back to this over here. Let me move this out of the way. I don't know why this is it won't go away. But you can come down to resources, guys, and you can click hot Facebook groups. Okay. Now, I personally I personally don't have a Facebook for the simple fact of, you know, wait 1 second. I don't know if it's still recording. Okay, there we go. So I don't have a Facebook page for the simple fact of the algorithm. It's kind of hard to keep, you know, to keep up with their rules and regulations. And pay a lot of my pages have got shut down. A lot of my pages, have been disabled. A lot of my posts have been taken down. So I'm just not good with Facebook. So if you have a Facebook, you could simply join these groups. You could join these groups and post in them once or twice a day, one in the morning, well, 3 times a day, like one in the morning, one in the noon, and one at night. You can post like 3 times in 3 different groups. You don't want to post uh, all at one time. You do not want to join all of these groups all at once, guys. They will deactivate your account. They will put you in Facebook jail, or you can't just overdo it. So join these groups moderately, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, every 2 hours. Facebook has got really, really strict because of all the scams and all of, the spams that people do on Facebook. So I use Instagram. So like I said, you can take those copy and paste ads that I showed you, post them on here or whatever social media you use. It don't have to just be for Facebook. I use my copy and paste ads for Instagram. Um, I just Instagram to me is the best platform to promote on, and I'm trying to move this out of the way. So yeah, you just click on one, and once you click on it, you can just click join the group right here. Of course, you'll be signed in and everything, and you can see, it's just the matter of you getting accepted to the group. It's a public group, so that's basically it, guys. Go to these posts in there, and you'll see a difference or something in your income. But what I want to tell you is, once you join me, we actually show you how to post in these groups. We show you exactly what to say. We show you exactly what to do. We show you how to do it. Right now, I'm just giving you the basic knowledge of what you should do next. Um, if even if you're not part of my team, you should want to do these steps, because this is what allows people to get paid. So you copy and paste, take those copy and paste ads, put them on social media, generate those leads. The next thing you want to do is also share a video. I tell people, my team members that join me, I let them know to go ahead and create a video, let people know like, hey, I just joined this opportunity from home. This is what I do. This is what I get. This is why I joined it, and how you can get started. People are going to see that, and they're going to be like, oh, well, what you doing? Let me get some information on this. I want to make $100 a day. I want to make, this amount of money a day too. Let me get some information on it. So that does the closing for you, because you're actually talking to your audience. You're letting them know like, hey, this is what I'm doing. This is why I did it. This is how you can get started. And this is how we get paid. Like, just talk about the opportunity itself in a short video. Don't give them too much information, because you don't want to, you know, flood all of your followers with information. And some people don't really care about what you're doing. But just make an interesting post where people, a curiosity post where people would, inbox you like, hey, can I get some more info on that? Or, and boom, you get paid once they sign up and select a level. So that's that's just the blueprint of this opportunity, guys. It's simple. And what's um so great about it is 100% of the commission. So you get 100% of the commission. And sorry, this may not be So you get 100% of the commission, guys. 100% of the commission of whichever level they decide to go with, if you are eligible to receive that commission. So that's why I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and um, become a part of the platinum level. Once you start, once you become a part of the platinum level, you're able to get all of the training that you need. You get this Facebook training, this YouTube training, and the Instagram training, which is very, very powerful. You can use it with your business and generate more income. And you could get bigger commissions, guys, 100% of $100. And it's a one-time fee. It's not like you have to keep paying $100 over and over and over. If you really think about how easily it is for you to spend $100, guys, think about how easy it is for you to spend $100 right now. And if you go ahead and just invest it into yourself, you can make multiple $100 payments instead of just using $100 and not getting anything out of it. Now I know a lot of you guys like, hey man, I buy food with my money. I buy um, clothes with my money. Like, you just don't understand that this one-time investment could really put you in position to quit your job like I did. I started off at the platinum level. I started off with steps 1, 2, and 3. So I was able to generate income from the gold level and the platinum level. And it just allowed me, guys, to just really earn faster and bigger commissions because of the level I was at. So that is basically everything you need to know, guys. And once you join me at the platinum level, you get a lot of training, guys. You get more websites, more things, support. You just get a lot of things with me, guys. A lot of training. I'm showing you right now what you would get once you become a part of the platinum level. You just get more bonuses. How to set up everything uh, to where you could earn more commissions, different systems, more training, Facebook training, YouTube training, just get Instagram training, you get Craigslist. It's a lot of stuff, a lot of bonuses you get, guys, once you get the platinum level. Because the simple fact of when you're at the gold level, you just only get the basic training, guys. You just get the basic tools. Because once you're at the platinum level, it's different things that you can in place to get bigger commissions, but you can't do it at the gold level. Now, a lot of people, they don't have the $100 to go to the platinum level, which is fine. But I tell everybody, if you join at the gold level, once you start making that commission, save up four of those commissions, guys, and level up to the platinum level. Because you don't want people, because a lot of people do not want to just receive $25. They working hard, or they have to work all day to hit a certain goal. When at the platinum level, you can literally get 4 people, 5 people to sign up that day, and guess what? That's $400 to $500 in one single day. You can end your day, early, or you can, do whatever you want to do. Then the next day you're eligible to earn another multiple $100. So a lot of people just like to waking up, guys, and making multiple $100 payments, which is me. But if you don't have it and you're only at the gold level, that is fine as well. Multiple $25 do add up now, but you have to put some to the side and actually, do something with it, guys. You have to learn how to invest into yourself, and don't be scared, because money is energy. If you're scared that it's not going to come back, guess what? It's not going to come back. But if you just know that it's going to come back, you just know deep down inside, like, man, I am making an investment to myself. This is my own work from home business, because you're not splitting these commissions with anyone. You are selling your own digital products that you have purchased, and you're reselling them. That is the business model. So these basically the four steps that you need to know in order to get paid once you first started, guys. So if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be making more videos on this. Also, my traveling business that I'm a part of. If you want more information on that, also just let me know, and I'll see you guys on the inside.